Doctors who are working in an intensive care unit, in emergency departments, surgeons, and intensivists, interventional cardiologists who take care immediately over the patients.
There's a full training, virtual and hands-on simulation, both on temporary and durable mechanical circulatory support. In these couple of days, we will have full training with a really well recognized and dedicated, well-known task force on MCS coming from all over Europe and US.
So the workshop is made for the entire heart failure team. It's not only for surgeons, it's also for the anesthesiologists, for the perfusionists, for the heart failure nurses. So bring your entire team and come there.